Alright, we're back again. Ooh, an empty box. What could possibly be in there? Damn, that's got enough shipping labels on this box. It's been shipped at least a couple times. Ooh. Ah, damn, that thumb hurts. Gas line. Big twin, panhead. Early. The rubber compliance fitting line came out in 1950. This is 49 on back. So that'd be 48 to 49 panhead. Now knucklehead had the same carburetor, the same gas tank petcock location. So that petcock should go back to 30, 40, 1940, 41, somewhere in there they changed. 39 had a little small petcock. They might have used it in 40 also. Don't remember. Definitely 41 and up. They had a little modern style petcock with a screw bottom where the filter comes out. So this is either going to be 40 or 41, and it should go up to 49. I don't think there's any difference between knuckle or pan. There might be. I have to go back and look in the book. But so I doubt if this is an original part. It might be. But it looks too good to be original. It's definitely original style with a good hardline fitting. All this stuff looks really nice. It's definitely not modern reproduction. It's definitely old. So it's been on something for a lot of years. But, so anyway, it's original linkert gas line for early pan or knuckle, later knuckle. We'll call that post-war knuckle. How's that? 45. Yeah, I can go back to 41. All right, there you go. Old fuel line.